almost every week biano Kuami Eugene oba yene stories nemu oba quick just table no do. Na in there asankola waka nkofu bebre wakasa we generate a mixed reaction and the waka baby to oya underground artists. Yes, those all up and coming. This year, and yes, a man from underground game. They are up and coming. They are also coming up building their brands. Them will be and they think crank. I want the man away. Now, Kuami Eugene has a message for some of these upcoming artists. Also, sometimes you just have to quit. Just quit on your finger force na dia na mfa na mo force adie no. Now Links Entertainment signing Kuami Eugene has made it clear that sometimes it's just best for upcoming artists to just quit doing music if they see they are finding it difficult to blow. Kuami Eugene and Kidi are on a media tour ahead of their show at the O2 Arena, that is Indigo at the O2 Arena in March, and Kuami Eugene made a daring declaration during their interview on City TV when they were asked about how upcoming acts can be like them. Now, according to the singer and his colleague Kidi, making it as a big musician sometimes requires grace and other times need more than grace. Talent, in their opinion, is what makes the difference. Therefore, putting all of your efforts and enthusiasm into musical talents can work wonders. Kuami Eugene, who advised underground musicians on how to make it large, suggests that they enter music talent events as they did with MTN hit Maker. He went on to say that you don't have to expect to succeed because they have. Also, it's possible that you are only interested in it because you believe you can do it as well as they have. But as he previously stated, it will require more than just enthusiasm to succeed. Now let's go and listen to what exactly or the exact words Kuami Eugene said.
Maybe it's not their calling. Yeah. So if you do that, it will frustrate you, and then you say, "Oh, I'm doing everything. I'm not blaming," because you're probably not doing it right.
Yeah.
You need a team.
Yeah.
Charlie, I will not emphasize. I can't emphasize this enough. How much important a team is. Because as an artist, you can't do it all on your own. Adrena was already creating. You know, this Adrena, HC, radio, TV. It's tough.
And sometimes you don't need a team. You just need to stop because it's not your talent.
That's all. On your own. Adrena was already creating. You know, this Adrena, HC, radio, TV. It's tough.
And sometimes you don't need a team. You just need to stop because it's not your talent.
That's all.
Also, sometimes you just forget, like I didn't but it's true. It's true. This one there I'm with Kuami Eugene 110%. I didn't find out producer me boy. I didn't find a way jai. I found a way jai. It's as simple as that. Don't come and stress yourself because it's for your own good. I want to power what's in way blow. I want power blow. A-list artists, what they go through, big artists, no, they go through so much, and it's not easy. Day in, day out, the struggle increases. Internet, you and it's affecting you physically, emotionally, financially, spiritually, because it gets to a point where when people try physically, it's not working. They go energy. So what I say. Yeah, so if you are trying, you feel like, okay, I can do this, and you're doing it, and you're not getting the right team. Some people even get the right team, but then since at the end, it's not going to far. What I say, it's not going to far. It's not going to say, I'm not better. Now, AJ, but wow, what talent to venture into business, or I succeed. On the moment, be blow. And music, and you'll be on a music when we blow. You'll be on a movie, when we blow. Entertainment industry, it's not for everybody. You can be a business person in the entertainment industry. You can be investing in talent. You can be doing other things in entertainment circle. Not necessarily being on the front line. Not necessarily be a musician, an actor, or a comedian. By force, time. It's not nice. So as for me, I side with Kidi on this because they said a whole lot of things before lastly resorting to the quitting side, Intimidation as I in Nara. That's a still cry and far. don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Don't waste your money because this year an economy no, it hard pa.